This is a 2010 Honda CR-V. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, CD player which is capable of reading MP3s, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, brake assistance technology, steering wheel mounted cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 26,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Planet Honda is located at 5505 Auto Court in the Madison Auto Mall. Visit us online at planethondaonline.com.